Anybody of it? Yeah, boy, sir. After you can't do it.
Now, I'm going to get that. Since I was trying to move in, I'm not there. Nanyansa woman near to me, the
Ah, can you come here?
So, in fact, cheap. You go so
anyway,
and you may bring a banner. That's when you
ever compare you be one corner and so about one corner.
And I say for more banner them. Yeah, quite. Rosie, and I will be actually the crater in one day. The crater, no, I can't. I saw no Rosie so and the walk. They want and I go. Ain't you know? And that. On the day I said,
Bogasi.
young penny, ya damfo, ya papa, ya wafa. I thought that.
Boga.
Now, the one some can be a told us to be a net that's true. I did not go. Opening my phone.
Major, so now what is saying?
Yes, I do.
Be about
Yeah,
then I say.
Almost I have said, my sister, you know what that.
I
For now, my name, Quam, for some surprise. I for now.
If you ask me the uper so surprising the part, and you say whom now surprising. And it's some pass well. Main podi out do me swa. Bibi any who have a send the mamma and the mayor man. So whatever you give, whatever you give me, whatever you give me to be given to my wife is insignificant in what I'm going to give her. So why will I swallow it? We don't need any. We really don't need anything from you. It is a privilege for you to show kindness to a very prominent person's wife. Look at us. But you don't know.
See this man.
Look at me. And you have opportunity to sow into the life of my wife.
See the wall. You are transparent.
No, but you're talking to the wall as a normal human being. And let me say greetings to Efia Schwarzenegger. This afternoon, do you know what she did? She brought me water to be given to my wife. Efia money right down and bring me 20 bags of water. Office. If you are sure against you know, penna water or the baby who straight to office. When you want to nipa by say, happy birthday to my wife. She nipa that city. Now to hack so far dear family so many people. Only if you one and far dear for the person. Mukase ya mukasatra. If you are sure me that now why you make from me from home? Also, why are they? Why are they? Nyamini ada na sisi obi ti say we sisi na so. Efi ahwa me da se pa nyami nhira. Say wa dwe me ho pa. Weekend dem di ni ye. Okay, sorry there he man kwa em wa me nti me kwa sorry. Na manya kwa sorry awie de de to so bio de eye kama say Saturday de kwa so na anye akwapin polo. Enimguase tanton de be boy yen wo kurum ha. Bye bye ni de yenya somu sa. And a lawyer make us say Kwapim Polo press conference no here it will make her not to talk again. Maybe say Onim say if Kwapim is still talking even when she goes to buy fufu, and that is the challenge. She is still talking. And Kwapim Polo is still talking. And the way she's talking now, I don't think the lawyer can really manage it. It's okay to say Kwapim Polo Kasawansa, she won't talk again. She's talking. I'm happy I'm out of prison. I'm going to eat fufu. Is she out of prison?
Is she not out of prison?
No, she has appealed.
She's working free. She can go buy fufu.
No, she
of her choice.
No, she has appealed. And whether the judgment will go against her or for her is a different story.
Oh, that is another story for another.
So she should behave. Nanso ne kasemu hufia. Ehun ya o.
So ba ye won ka say judge asimesi witiri so me na mkodim fufu you. Enu na nka ne be ka case.
Mo de mu nso so. Eba e na eyo. E say yenye chance ne ka say Kwapim Polo asemu na ewukura. and I was all right to you. So let's be very careful with the law.
If
If the lawyer who is speaking on your behalf says, why are you still talking? That's all. It's not me cast. No, what between the social media, me catch almost said, don't bear press conference. No, on make your people low. A cassa on the timeline, so and a damn crofasiaga. It was more useful than the useless press conference they had. Because the press conference, she was not prep, it was used but less. There was no meat in it. Very, very useless.
It was a pure stage set for her to cry.
And unfortunately, there's but there's nothing. No, the remorsefulness of people. The first day the picture came on, she was remorse. I started this case. She was very remorseful because she didn't know what she was doing. What I'm saying is, they see memory dano. As soon the man found and say soon but they have say. So lawyer ne kasa ma no se fiti ne bria ye ko mbolo kasa bi mo I expect say onyedin
but I say yeah one case I was here discussing any agenda Rosie
but before you discuss the case no Councillor Luchot actual lovely birthday message Emma ne yere but nya councillor ya na emri bi o say mama celebrate mo yere no mo
all that you tell me
mankasa
okay.
Missy, don't celebrate the birthdays of your children. Celebrate delivery days for your wife. Go back and play the tape.
Counselor.
Missy, celebrate the delivery day of your children for your wife. So it's the biggest celebration in my life. That's it.
I mean, read the love letter. No.
I don't cry. I don't know because one love letter behind. Online publishing or before they qualify. So
may read you obekumi. Counselor.
Yes.
You read it and now I read.
You go read it.
Or say me read it. Or say happy birthday to my life. Who is my wife? Mrs. Councillor Luchot. Wishing her a great day and a new age with divine protection from above and beyond. Your Highness, hi, your husband, Reverend Councillor Luchot, and all the children, we say we love you.
Intuit me trust them the day they come and say.
What true?
And intuit me better.
See, your Highness.
Queen Peasy Susan.
Why not Queen Peasy?
Who's some which is one guy in Post one more beers.
Why not
Queen Peasy?
Sonny Achiba.
Indian man, Sonny Achiba.
Yeah, girl, yeah.
Artist, yeah.
Okay, so Chakakra.
What Queen Peasy?
Also, Chakakra.
You see, in life, when people don't have identity, it's difficult to discuss them. Read the letter for the day.
The letter for the day. Councillor Luchot. Ochiame, Ababa Webi. And now, the story na braying. Or see, on any kunu, I worry for some time now. Oma wari achepa ye ba ni kunu ni nua ba ewa wari ni mu bi pa because bibi omo be ye bia no ne kuma no I'm sure ne kuma right ne sister-in-law eni gino mo wari ni mu oni ni kunu nya ntokwa a ne sister-in-law na be wa be solve issue no bibi ani ani kunu ne be kwa ka che ni nua no nti asa awari na owo mu no more or less like oni ne sister-in-law
ani ni kunu na
wari enti for some time now issue be by issue adekodi am issue ne by ne de wanka but see issue be by ama for some time now no ne kunu no enkasa but issue ne say ase oni ni nua ba ni nya asem bi e na ne kunu no egiegina ni nua ba na echi enti sisi oba ne se wabre aware no ohun ne onye ne hu bio because ade we ache se etu obetwa nka etwa dadaada but still na ekoso enti o confront ni kunu no ena oni ni kunu ne kasa ye ena ni kunu echo letter ema no echo letter say senior Councillor Luchot echo letter ama love letter ama ne yire ena ni kunu ne echo letter but letter ne tintin ne tie
Mrs. I mean so councillor now why you so be councillor by right of marriage o de yanko
enti letter ne tintin ne tie nyina ne say
Chief Mrs.
Ocho ni kunu ne echo letter ne ma no girl ma me ni read letter no baby ana ye me depa ne say ni kunu ne say no or your visitor ewo aware na ase one ni nua no blood related nti she niwa oba no ebeye or your visitor keke ewo aware na ase
Sana ni kunu ne ka
sana
share
ne
ne
kunu
yere.
ne kan ntimi ma summarize ni nyina
Dia be ma ne
you
ka
are
share ono
yes
ne yere ne se ono ye hoho.
oyo
Na ni
hoho
nua ba ne de oye moja.
oyo moja good nti story ni ni
To ba ne person ohun de onya.
onye because ade we akoso sa if your sweetheart is to tell you say we a visitor ma worry for 20 years no catch her when they say you are a visitor there na e was say oye
Ansa na councilor be ba kra no be ma no nyame anim no kure no ejimfo kakra wanti aware ase. Councilor ma me ntoma ne enko ye ni.
Me da pass ya wonya counselor na menchia etiefo na de okasa ye de momfa ne bone nche no de frɛ no Ochiami mi Kofi afe na panyina nkasa odware ne nso asane eba be kasa nana Kwame be bia obi abechia o ne din the Reverend Counselor Cyril George Kobe Christopher Samuel Casterson Lutot edin a ye di tworo book echi a enko echi ho
oh that is beautiful
nti me din na ma board me na meka say na Ochiami enkomo ye di ye ne yemfa so ne nda afiahua snegas say wa kai me birthday and wa kai me yiri birthday say Tuesday atwa mo wish me happy birthday na say am yiri enso di su aba nhwehwe ni mu na bia wo na ade power hin ade power last week onu so si bai no obechia me birthday ade kama me say onu so bai na kita chokomilo na ma me 10 pieces yes 10 20. Everything that is multiplied by 2, when you give it to 2 people, you are divided it already. So you gave me 10 pieces. Yes. But that's it. And the last thing, also, mommy, chokomilo 10. I mean, shit out. No more can. Yes.
Speak to the issue.
The issue is what I'm discussing. You're paying back over her, Jim, Edemeka. Yami Adoma, Obetia. Yami Shidam. Kofi, you are smart, you know. Say, what you say, you are a visitor. And my sister is my blood. Now, unyani papa ba, unyani mami ba, why boni? I don't know how about bema no.
Awari say bema beja, nena neja ho.
No the nigiri ide.
Aka bo ma be ye honam kro.
O si na on the nigiri akoye.
Akoye, o si no on the nigiri be ka bo.
The akoye
honam kro.
Akoye enye omoye.
But
shall be and are. No, we are not using semantics. You have to apologize to the man. Why do you insult the man? Is the woman a blood relation?
What do you mean by
can the woman donate to the husband?
Donate in which way?
Are they having the same blood? And I'm if you Musa. Uba soja. What do you mean?
Which type of
no, who born dog? How can my wife become part of me against my family? What are you talking about? Are you normal? Why do you insult the man?
Are you supporting the guy really?
No, did you hear the message? The guy said, there are pillars that you don't know until they grade down.
I said, money me and come question.
And on person in your body bedenti, and no year what doom a wale.
What do you mean to Ayana?
No bound for Swanny day.
What do you mean to Ayana? Nobody say.
Who are you? Ninya bali titi awadio. Ninya obuadie. Abaya na ebuadie. Unwura wadie mu. Na enya wo se wo bedan na yiri ti no. Any other thing in the family stop. Who born dog? Who are you? Their sister remains to be a sister. She's supposed to give respect to the sister-in-law.
But she respects the sister.
Can come into your house.
Hello, read the story carefully. The sister even had a chance to have a discussion with her. So she created a platform that the sister-in-law is a sister. And that is what I want to teach you today. And I assume the bano and koye fine a mancrofo. Ochami, the mistakes of our life can story ni. Abayani kaso ba wa dia seno. Se ordinary kumanum anani nwa be ni kunu no enwam no emma no ya adamfo. Ana ordinary ase ba ya adamfo na ma wade nko anim. Oba bia wo ne wase ye ba ko bia wo wade egu. Keep that in your head. Or baby, I know sister-in-law, you're fine. Pa mudidi bom, mutwa tuma bom, muko baby bom, no wale. We are house help. You have to respect the policy. The word is an in-law. And to tell them come out, and the lady spoke to the sister-in-law, gave her an advice. And out of the advice the sister-in-law gave, Okachi said, I want to be can't check me. Listen to me. My sisters have a respect that they give to my wife. And my wife doesn't cross the boundary. None of my siblings are siblings to my wife. She's a visitor in that house. My wife is. That is why every time we move from our house to our family house, they serve her. If you don't come to the point of realizing who you are, then you'll be reminded. And this is a reminder. In the first place, Oshami, say, wow, I say, now koto unyan okunu nyanu mu awade na se a de a wo si ni panyimpo awade ni ti eso di obuo ema no obi ka se eni waseba endidi obi ka se fa wakuma e adamfo wakuma nya wadamfo wakuma ya wo ilo and watch this here me Rose be example Sami Wari Rosie is here. She's my wife na se ye dipa Blade Mr. Blade Bogo Yeni Togo Boga Etiway not Togo.
Yes.
Ojame me yiri mabe ware no Togo ne papa enti o papa ya me den
Was
brofuka kan say
in-law.
now who watch me now. Under no circumstance can I ever talk to this man direct. Because what brings us together is the law. Who is the law? She is the law. Let me the illustration here. Me worry ni peno, ni papa ni papa becomes my father-in-law. Who is the law between the two of us? She's the law. And until I address the law, I can't talk to this man. The respect between the two of us is the law. So my sister-in-law, the respect between my wife and my sisters-in-law is me. So she cannot operate with my sisters without me. Today happens to be my wife's birthday. I didn't have anybody else to command around except my sisters. I commanded them today to serve my wife on her birthday. That's a command. When they enter into a house, they come and enjoy the services of my wife because they are visitors in my house. Kitchen ho omuni right for her. Nyama is somebody right for her. And say Oma Bama me be someone. Na se me yire ekohia me nwan wo ye fie omuni hu kwan se o man hu kwan ma ne nu aduane. Enti na me yire kosere ma ma ofie na me no aduane na onko kitchen ho okochia no abetena se.
Instance a ye be man ne o yire no
Efie.
Hello.
The respect
Hello.
is for.
Hello. Hello. Chami. Be man abo ba di fie. A oni ni krute. But oba na eni ni nya ba na fa nyonko. E breaking the myth of the law. See the mekano. What do you mean you do? Net say na kwa mu adwen ase na lekọ. But see the mekano. The mekano say she is the law. Awade enti ena se si ayenya ho kwan mo ni mi nwanum kasa. Enti so ne obedi nkomo a this a family so. What I say? Na ba ni say na me nwa ba eni me nwa ba me yire edi me ho nkomo.
You see, your posture doesn't solve the problem.
My posture.
Unfortunately.
I want you call posture.
What part you say? Oba no no any uni aba akoye bibi no wenya no ho kwan nti no otimi ye na ya.
Medasi na tie de o ka ho.
Mami ready.
O ma ho.
O see.
Ochiane.
Medasi wo ho. Medasi.
The point is we are looking at solving the problem.
And the solution is what I'm giving here. No. What's the blame? Where is the blame? Once you identify the problem, because you lost your position as a wife.
But let me read
to be
what
respected.
the guy said. Remember, my sister is my blood and my family. Respect yourself. Don't be deceived with your position in our family.
But she's been deceived.
A visitor.
She's been deceived as a visitor. Behaving like a wife. Behaving like a family member. Who born dog? You are a wife.
Are you
a family member?
She is not.
Can I bury my wife? Are you aware I can't bury my wife when she dies?
Home.
Hello. Abrakwa TM. Sorry. I see Matri there. Matri Numa. Tell me, you are not getting the picture. My wife has been disrespected because she has associated herself, lost her rights as a wife, and giving herself to my sister. Now hear what she said. She says, "Minya bana ya dear no kika na adwenkyere no." You don't respect. Read the story. She spoke against her sister-in-law. Do you respect?
What is your expectation in this matter? That your sister has disrespected your wife.
Define. What do you call disrespect?
Defend herself.
No, what do you call disrespect?
Come to you for you to address your sister. Is
Achami,
that a picture you are painting? I'm not getting
I am running my wife according to the dictates and the direction of my senior sister. Are you aware? Everything I do for my wife is because my senior sister tells me it is good do for her. Then you come and tell me, say, how do I marry you and be taking orders from my brother? Are you from my sister? Are you serious? Learn this from today. Or baby, I will tell me. Oba wadia say. Now wasi bema. Ni system ya ne debt. Oba retirement. No retirement baby that currently 6 years after woman. San kurane sa wadia no. E se oba ufie no. Ojina couch no wuri. Na the day is over. Only one koka. Akula kitwa na so your in-law. You see how the painful thing is? I mean, that boy and your son have just 3 years difference. Now, father-in-law sees him any then to or retirement baby, but that is an in-law. And until you learn your position as a wife, so you will learn how to operate with in-laws. Every day you will fight your husband. How do you go and tell your husband that? Men say, men found advice and what they mean.
On what grounds, at what level do you expect that your sister will be respectful towards your wife?
The first grounds is that there are those who walk on the sand of Mokola to purchase the things I came to marry you. They came to serve you.
Counselor,
you asked a question answered. Do you have an answer for me to read?
I don't have a problem. Say, Obama na catch and the say, what you
now,
very painful.
Now, very painful. And I very Benjamin Crane as our auntie. Hey,
responsible
for
the wife.
Thank you.
So, but when your wife is irresponsible, it becomes difficult to make her responsible.
You are arguing from the point to say, "Ufu say Obana a mistake."
And you feel.
But the issue is, okay, you believe so Obana a mistake
because in Zambia, my sister catch them, you know. I least expect my sister to hear, but because my wife is my groomer, kokonsa, and abu and coronavirus.
You are not solving the problem.
I am here to solve the problem, but I'm telling you that you are the one spoiling the problem.
This one they won't.
What do you mean? This is my wife, Rosalie. Baby, I'm can be ano.
That is not the issue we are talking about.
You didn't read the story. Read the story. What do you mean? Now what? Now only what? Now what? You can't papa move here. I don't know how. I dare be say keep you here. Now and I said, "Who now see me a counselor? There me your counselor. Me cancel. Me chum. Agradampo. I evangelist. See, Ghana for me cast you. Last week Thursday I me can say agrada ekuru e yosofo. No gusu de be me munsu ogu na se. E no gusu your comfort there or you fake comfort. And no abeka say ni kurunti enti be me munsu no asakra abayfo nyina wo po obi aremo. I'm available for repentance. Me talk one so tie me achia me who say yes abra bosi na kwa wade ebu pe immediately think as a wife, behave as a wife, enjoy your wifeship role. Won ti ase say be man na catch your ba ne say wo ba say wo ye visitor wo be ware keke na wo nke busua.
That is painful. That on the grounds of religion. So we are Christopher. What you are saying is neither here nor there because my mean Osina said our year and then you know bushia. So we said Rosie Bushia, any Togo Bushia, because of Rosie, any Togo they become a full unit.
Hello, they are full unit, but we have extended family, we have nuclear family. I been in Krenia on Sisa and Bedanin Kreni. Munjai Sans and Fono. What do you mean?
Full stop.
Oh! I don't just want to say. And Mama, what you say? Me too, Fufitiane. Respect your position as a wife. Say only me. Na me papa e be sra yan. Me ntia si entie nkomo no. Yan frel. Enti na me papa buy hopper only be make am.
I support this.
Me papa buy ya only be me.
Why me na?
Me papa buy only be here. Papa ye kan kurum kasa. Ye kan late. me yire nti la te kasa
Counselor.
no aso de pie
Counselor, me time aso. Obano in one little sentence. On your day.
de di kan o se o kan adventure and sister in law de di kan onko no ko pa ne chow on pe kwan papa so be fa akopa ne sister in law ni chow se ono wa ba wade ase ebie na no e ka se tia na kuma de to so mienu nyama wa churo ne kunu efi na kuma mu ka che e ka ne se o ya visitor no on san ko no ko pa ne kunu chow on ka che ni kunu se miwura and no baby a want to be free wura say wura na say onwura wo what is so baby friend ko kofi o chiame obi a wo yire free wo ani wudi obi a wo yire free wo ni wudi wuri wa dwum yare or mental deficiency ko na ko pa wo kunu chow never fight your in-laws even if they are small like Kofi Adoma 0277 go say there's no marriage in America. They are cohabiting in America. 0277 609 644. Hey, yes, my one idea and toa. Oba say be my brother. 0277 609 644. Sana mai say Rosely be keep on abra bomu a. Obenya wa de pa. Enya indi papa. Na ye kono. Me kasa se na monti ase enye wi na marry. Na ginger chips. You be num so guso. Me chia baby a wo bia. Me da so chia me. Oba nu kopa ni kru chow. No pa the sister in law chow.
Lie.
What do you want? If you don't respect yourself as a wife, your in-laws will never respect you. If you share mu, uba wadi ase, ube so ja. Ume shem kwem. Anya ntumi bia de twa utwa. 0277 609 644. Aya muma money. Anya me di birthday. Mun ka che Kofi Adoma. Se wa fi abrochi aba $5 ni bi bra me yire. Asa fu amote so.
No be wura wo yire.
Kofi Adoma to Dubai aba. On the pictures aba. And what side Dubai press cover no dey.
What a pen buy.
I see omu did the right.
The ram, anya the ram. Oso be pon no gba sa.